Freedom in dancing is being able to be yourself 100% and not let or allow anything to hold you back. Allowing the music to take you to a place that just can allow you to escape any of the madness that's happening in the world, you know? To have that freedom is liberating, but a lot of people are confined because of their peers, because of their own thoughts, and because of phones, social media, you know, what people think is the standard. So to say the freedom is dope, but a lot of people are missing that point because they're trying to fit into something when, you know, if you want to be free, you don't fit in anything. It's limitless.
I would say the main thing is the socializing, the bringing people together.
I think it begins with you just smiling, shining outward to people.
When I arrived here, I caught the flavor. You know, dancing with people, I caught the flavor.
If you want to know who your people are, play the drum and they all come. The real people of the drum follow the drum. Whenever the drum is being played, these people will react. They can't help it, and there's a reason why. I believe the reason why is these are probably the warriors that should have been. And instead of taking it to the war, they took it to the floor.
The club life is being lost now. I haven't been in a club atmosphere in a long time.
The girls start coming, the boys start coming, and the more girls come, the more boys come, and the boys start to go off and show off, and then you got a jam.
Everyone is at peace, and everyone is free.
We need to find ways to love each other more, to unify, to create one huge dance community so that we can all use our resources together to make this world a better place.
You say you love dancing? You supposed to be here.
CatchTheFlava is really all about you. When you come here, what you put into it is what you're gonna get back. And there's a lot of growth in that. Multiple teachers with different types of lessons and different cultural experiences for you to take your mind and expand. Not for you to be like them, but for you to be like you. What better gift is that?
It's prepared for you. So, wow, take advantage, you know.